Founded in 2012, Shenzhen King-Serry Electronics Co Limited have invested more than 5 million Chinese yuan in Guangdong, China, passing ISO 9001 certification. It covers an area of 4,600 square meters and has over 104 employees. The company has been focusing on RF technology for more than 12 years, specializing in smart wireless switches, wireless sockets, etc. As a leading smart home supplier, King-Serry owns an experienced R&D team and professional sales group. Products strictly implement AQL sampling standards, having strong stability along with the defective rate within 1%. More than 98% of the goods are private models, possessing over 50 software patents, utility model patents and appearance patents. Certificated by UL, BSCI, CE, FCC, IC, UKCA, ROHS, KC, CSP, our products are not only sold well domestically, but also exported to Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, Russia and other countries. Some automated machines are utilized to improve and control quality. The corporation is committed to developing new products to meet the requirements of different clients. Customized services are permitted as well. The company holds the principle of mutual benefits and enjoy a good reputation among our customers because of professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. Warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us and create brilliance together. Thank you.